What if everything you've been told about saving money is only half the story? Most of us grow up hearing the same advice: save as much as you can, keep your money in the bank, and you'll be financially secure. It sounds smart, but there's a problem. If your money is sitting in a regular savings account, inflation is quietly eating away at its value. So even though your balance stays the same, what that money can actually buy keeps shrinking. Think about it. If inflation is around 3% a year and your bank pays only 0.5% interest, you're losing purchasing power every single year. Your money isn't really growing, it's slowly falling behind. A lot of people avoid investing because they think it's too risky. But leaving all your money in a savings account has its own risk. Your wealth never has a chance to grow. I'm not saying you should gamble your money or chase risky investments. I'm talking about giving every dollar a purpose. Build a strong financial foundation. Instead of simply storing money, start putting it to work for you. That's the difference between just getting by and building real financial freedom. Between working because you have to and having the freedom to choose. And this is only the first step. If you want to learn how to move your money from a low-interest bank account into assets with long-term growth potential, make sure to subscribe. In the next video, we're going to uncover something I call the convenience tax,